Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show how to convert a PDF to Excel using Foxit PDF Editor. This is useful when we want to extract data from tables and work more efficiently in spreadsheets. Let's get started. In Foxit PDF Editor, say this is our PDF and we want to convert it to Excel. All we need to do is click Convert at the top of the dashboard. Next, click MS Office or Microsoft Office. A drop-down menu will appear, and we will choose Excel from the list. Now, we select the option to save the Excel file to our local computer, then click OK. We can see it is now converting. Let's wait for it to finish. Once it's done, we just click on the download to complete it. To check the file, we simply open it, and there we have it. Our PDF from Foxit Editor is now an Excel file. That's how we convert a PDF to Excel using Foxit PDF Editor. It's a quick and simple way to turn PDF data into editable spreadsheets.